Okay, so the next exercise is going to be for the lats. We're going to do a pre-exhaust. So we're going to start with a dumbbell pullovers, followed by a close grip cable rows sitting down. Okay, so Martin, if you would like to grip the dumbbell, kite grip, remember, so you're laying back, Martin's going to straighten his arms, then have a dragon lock with his shoulders back, okay, going into the bench. Okay, so we're going to have a nice stretch coming back. That's right, feel the stretch, and then we're going to bring it forward. That's it. So we're going to do 8 reps. So that's 2. 3. Excellent. Big stretch. 4. 5. Excellent. 6. Now straighten arms a tiny bit more. Big stretch. Okay, now last one. Okay, so just bring up the dumbbell, and then we're going to take a seat on the seated rower. Okay, so knees slightly bent. We're going to keep the back straight, chest out. 2, good. Keep it going. 3. 4, so we're going to bring it into the chest and then take the shoulders forward as well on the way back. Give me 2 more. Excellent. Okay, so that's your pre-exhaust workout for the using the dumbbell pullovers and the close grip seated rower.